How to go frame by frame in VLC Media Player. Hey guys, and welcome back to DelftStack. If you ever needed to move through a video one frame at a time in VLC Media Player, maybe to analyze a scene, study motion, or capture the perfect screenshot, then this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you the exact and correct way to use frame by frame in VLC Media Player using both keyboard shortcuts and the on-screen frame button. So let's get started. First step is opening VLC Media Player and load a video. You're going to open VLC Media Player in front of you on your computer, click Media in the top menu, and select Open File. Choose the video you want to analyze. Once the video opens, let it start playing normally. Then you're going to pause the video. This is essentially required. Frame by frame only works when the video is paused. Click the pause button, or you can press the space bar on your keyboard. If the video is playing, frame by frame will not work correctly. And then step 3 is going frame by frame using the keyboard. That is the best method. By default, VLC already has frame by frame enabled. Make sure the video is paused and press the E on your keyboard. Each time you press E, VLC will move the video forward by exactly one frame. And if you prefer clicking instead of using the keyboard, click View in the top menu, select Advanced Controls. Now look at the bottom left area of VLC just above the play button. You will see extra controls appear. One of these looks like a triangle with a vertical line next to it. That button is the frame by frame control. Click it once, moves one frame forward. Click again, next frame forward. And just like that, you can move frame by frame. There are some important things that you need to know is that frame by frame works forward only. This is a limitation of VLC, not a bug. Frame by frame is meant for analysis, not reverse playback. And this feature is perfect for video analysis, sports or gameplay breakouts, capturing exact screenshots, studying motion and transitions, tutorial and editing reference work. And that's it. That's the correct way to go frame by frame in VLC Media Player. Just remember, pause the video, press E or enable advanced controls, and use the frame button. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more accurate and simple VLC tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.